If you want to see how to get the best bald cap that you've ever seen, go ahead and keep watching. We're giving straight scalp over here, and I'm not playing no games. This is the updated version of my bald cap method. Make sure you stay tuned, subscribe if you want to see more. Also, to all my ladies that love wigs and don't like the ear pain from your bands, make sure you stay tuned for my website drop because it is coming real soon. We about to have hair, glue, and everything you need for your beauty collection. Now let's go ahead and get into the video. What's up, cousins? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Richgirlred, and I'm back with another one. So today we are getting into my bald cap method, and I'm not going to waste no time. Let's go ahead and get into it. This is going to be the products you are going to need for this tutorial, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you are going to need is your wig cap, and you're also going to need your edge control, whatever you like. Today I'm using the Lotta Body. I usually like to start off with a fresh set of braids, but I did not feel like rebraiding my hair. I had nails, so I did not get a chance to rebraid my hair. So you want to go ahead and take the end of your comb. You can also take your finger. I'm using my comb because I have nails. So we're going to take our comb and we're going to brush all those hairs back. You don't want any hairs to be out because it's going to affect of how your cap is going to lay. It's also going to affect on how your wig is going to lay. It is best to do any wig with freshly washed hair and fresh braids. But we're going to go ahead and use these old braids, y'all, because I did not feel like rebraiding my hair for this tutorial. And I've had these braids for a while. I'm also going to make sure I get the back. Make sure you get all them kitchens, girl, because, yeah, we need to put all those up. It's not cute. It's not giving. And we do not want no kitchens showing in our wigs. So we'll go ahead and put all of that up.
Recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit hands up high, turn the lights down right now, put me in the booth. I'm talking about dark, go.
After I get done molting my hair down, I like to go in with some alcohol. You can use any type of alcohol. I'm just using green alcohol. And I like to go around my edges and just clean off any excess. I like to clean off like the edge control and any excess oil buildup or dirt. And I also go on the back of my neck as well, just so I can get any remainder edge control that was in the back, because we all know certain edge controls do turn white and we do not want that showing. So I'm going in with the Ebin wig cap. This is in the color white. You can also use your shade color, or if, to me, this is better because this gives you more of an HD look. So this is Ebin's, I think that's how you say it, HD cap. I love their HD caps. These are probably some of the best caps I have used. And they just work for me. Like they work really well. They look really good, and they make your lace just lay really, really flat. So I'm taking my shears and I'm cutting out my ear holes, and then later on in the video you'll see where I actually cut out my holes for my eyes so I could pull the cap down a little bit further.
I'm talking about dark, go. I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit. I'm talking about dark, go. I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit. I'm talking about dark, go. I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit. I'm talking about dark.
Okay, so once I get everything in place, I go in with some Got To Be spray. This is all I had. I usually like to use the Ebin Super Hold Spray, but I did not have any more, so I just went in with good old reliable. You can't go wrong with Got To Be. Of course, I'm not using this to lay my wig, but I like to go in with this to lay my caps because it does give you a solid foundation. Make sure you are spraying in thin layers and you're not spraying too much because this tends to make your cap hard. So you want to make sure that you are spraying in thin layers, you are rubbing it in, and then you want to dry in between each layer.
Fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit.
So now you're going to see me go ahead and go in with the blow dryer, and I am drying. I also did some sprays in between and dried again. I probably did about 3 sets. You could do about 1 to 3 sets depending on how dry you need it. Grab some makeup for the cap, and then now I'm going in with my makeup. Now that I have my cap all laid, I like to apply my makeup personally when the cap is still pulled all the way down because it just gives the cap more time to settle in and really dry, and then everything just sets together really nicely. I mix multiple makeups together to achieve the look I need. I feel like that is the best thing to do. Makeup sprays and all that just never gave me the look I wanted to. Tints, I don't really like tints. I like using actual makeup, mixing it together until I get the perfect consistency, until I also get the perfect color. After I finish applying my makeup, I like to cut around my eyes and cut everything off, and then it should look a little like this at the end. This is before I even styled it. This is before I did anything to the hair. If you follow this method to the T, it should be giving straight scalp. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if this helped you, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like, comment, and hit that notification bell. It is day 4 of the 30-day challenge. I love y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next one. Make sure you stay tuned for the styling video of this hair and also exactly how I fixed the hairline. Bye. See y'all in the next one.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know you taste this a little bit. I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say